Hi again, we're just introducing a new plugin for Photoshop that we created. So I'm just going to bring Photoshop in and I'm going to tell you a little bit about the plugin. It's called Remind and basically I'm not going to go into too much detail because it will be shown in the actual development videos or the tutorials. But basically it's a note-taking plugin, but in a different way. Now I don't know whether you've ever worked on an image like you've worked on this image and you got to the end of the night and you're thinking, oh my god, I'm going to have to try and remember what to do in the morning and everything. Well, this little plugin actually helps you do this. I'm going to show you quickly how it does it. I'm not going to go into too much detail, like I said, because it'll be in the tutorials. But say for instance you want to have a little note on there when you appear in the morning saying finish this picture. You can put, for instance, finish image. That's just a quick test. Okay, click that. What that's going to do is it's going to embed that into the image. Okay, what you'll notice is a little thing there saying save. Okay, so you just save your picture, close it, and magically when you open this again next time, say for instance in the morning, you will embed a note onto your picture saying finished note. Okay, there you go, finished image. Okay, now that's on a layer, so you can also just delete that layer if you're finished with it. Just get rid of it so you can then carry on the next day with your work knowing that you've actually remembered what to do, and it also has the note there finished in the actual picture. So that's basically the plugin. It's all free. I hope you enjoy it and good luck. Thank you for watching the video, and please consider subscribing to my channel and also press the notification bell so you're aware of when a new video has been uploaded. If you like the video, consider pressing the thumbs up icon, as well as possibly leaving a comment to tell me what you think. Also consider sharing the video on these sites, as well as follow me on these social media channels. Thank you again for watching.